talk to you about graphic design. In our program, we have 6 emphasis areas, and one of those emphasis areas is graphic design. And what I love to tell our graphic design majors is you have to have an understanding of all of the outputs, because there's no guarantee which output you will be designing for. Although the fundamentals include color selection, typography, balance, all of those fundamentals, that applies to web design, package design, some of the video compositions, the animations. You never know when you're going to need to apply the fundamentals of graphic design. So today we have our trophy case, one of several, and not only do we have examples of award-winning work, but we have examples of capstone projects. One of our favorite capstone classes for graphic design majors is senior project, although you have 2 options, senior project and production graphics. And so some of these projects exhibit all of the skill sets that students have acquired in the graphic design major. So no 2 students actually come out of our program looking exactly the same. Some choose to make selections in their electives with photography, some choose videography, some choose animation, some choose web, some choose packaging, some choose specialty graphics. And so you never know what a student is going to become most interested in, and these projects are a great example of all of the different skill sets that our graphic design majors have. So with our awards, this is an example of one competition, the American Advertising Awards, and you can see a range of freshman level work all the way up to senior level work. And that's what's exhibited with a variety of projects. We see print projects, we see packaging projects, and what we can't see, but we have many of our examples of web, interactive, digital media, video, photography. And so I hope you get a chance to look at some of our other areas and enjoy those examples of graphic design as well. Thank you.